Hello, I'm Milogical and welcome to this video about the first step to get more toner out of the DCP L3550CDW LED printer and save some money. At some point while using this printer, the printer will give you a replace toner message, even though there's enough toner left in the cartridge. In my case, I have to replace the magenta toner cartridge. All you need to do to clear this message is to reset the affected toner. So, you need to lift the top cover and you will get the following message. Close the top cover. Just ignore this message. Now, to access the reset menu, you need to hold the back button, so the arrow, and the cancel button, so the red cross, simultaneously, and then quickly press the back button again. So again, push the back button and the cancel button at the same time, after which you push the back button. The display will then show the reset menu. This menu lists several types of toner cartridges, and it does so in the following way. The first letter stands for the color. K means black, C means cyan, M is for magenta, and Y is for yellow. Next is the code TNR, which is an abbreviation for toner. And after that, the code STD and HC. Although STD does have another meaning, in this scenario it means standard capacity. HC means high capacity. So black standard, black high capacity, cyan standard, cyan high capacity, magenta standard, magenta high capacity, yellow standard, and yellow high capacity. Now I have to reset the magenta standard or STD. Reset, yes, after which I just go back to the home screen and check the toner life of the magenta cartridge. And close the top cover. That's it for resetting the replace toner message. Thanks for watching.